Thank you for buying this cable organizer from Fixture Displays. We're going to demonstrate how to wind your cables. And this is really a nifty tool to keep your cables untangled. We're going to demonstrate on two examples. One is earphone cable and the other is a charging cable. There's a little notch in there, or you can call it a hook. To start, you want to fold your cable in half so that on one end you create a loop. Pull it one direction, then let go. Then the spring will wind the cable into a nicely organized unit. To undo it, pull it the other way and hold the little hook and then unhook the cables. Now we're going to demonstrate the charging cable. If you have any questions, let us know. See us at fixturedisplays.com. If you like our product, we can really use a good review. Share it in your social network. We want to thank you for shopping Fixture Displays and have a blessed day.